By the end of the video, we'll know about HIIT Made easy, beginner-friendly workouts for quick progress. Hello, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training, or as we call it, HIIT. If you're a beginner and want to boost your fitness game with some easy-to-follow workouts, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about warm-up exercises. They're crucial to prevent injuries and prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. Try doing some light jogging in place, then stretch your muscles gently. Next, we'll start with some bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups. Remember to keep your form correct and maintain proper breathing throughout the exercise. Now, let's ramp up the intensity. We'll incorporate jump squats or burpees into our workout. Start with 10 reps of either exercise and gradually work your way up to 20 to 30 reps. Take short breaks as needed, and don't forget to hydrate yourself regularly. After a few rounds of jumping or burpees, it's time to switch gears. Instead of jumping or burping anymore, do 10 reps of squats or push-ups at a faster pace than before. Continue alternating between high-intensity moves and lower-intensity ones until you complete the desired set or time frame. Remember, HIIT is a challenging workout that requires dedication and consistency. But believe me when I say, there's no better way to get quick progress in your fitness journey than these beginner-friendly workouts. So what are you waiting for? Lace up those sneakers and let's get started on that fitness journey together. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit subscribe for more awesome fitness content that caters specifically for beginners like you. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.